Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create a landing page on Shopify. It's very simple. A landing page is a specific page, not actually your home page or anything like that, like regular page or all of the page that you have on your website. Landing page, a page where your customers should land at the first time, that with one click your website front page. You can see in one word that it is a front page or the front section where your customers go through. So everyone wants to show the specialty of that web page, or they want to get the leads, so they can actually show the logging page at the very beginning of entering that web page. So that's the landing page. So it have a pre-tested perfect conversion rate, so it can convert people in customers with that only one landing page. So that's a for that you have to actually create a perfect, attractive and engageable landing page on your Shopify store. So I'm going to create a landing page here, but in Shopify there's in default there's only home page that can be as used as a landing page. But if you want to add a customizable landing page, then you have to install an app. So that's you have to simply click on apps, and here is the search box. Now simply click on that. You go to the app and sales sector here and go to the Shopify App Store, and from here you can search for Pagefly. Here it is, the landing page builder. You can simply click on it, so you can get that directly, like Pagefly landing page builder. Now here you can find all of the details about this app on the Shopify. Here you can find the paid version. Also you have a free version, so you can create only one publish slot and one landing page. And simply you can just simply click on install, and you can install the app as always like the other application. Now you can simply click on install, so it will install the application on your Shopify store. So here is the Pagefly page builder. So from here you can find that it is authenticating, so you have to wait until it's set up by itself. So here you can see it has set up. Now make it all of this like this. Now simply click on next, and here what do you want to create first? So we want to create the page here, so simply click on select page type. Now we are going to select the page type. You can select regular page, or you can create another home page, or you can create product page that you want to appear like a landing page, collection page, a blog post, a page, and password page. Landing page actually not a type of page where you can actually input all of your product or list all of your product together. It is a page where you can actually list one or two or one specific product with some interesting like sales details or sales promotions or any type of promotions, that the customers can get attracted to browse your web page. Landing page is not that type page, or don't make a type landing page that your bounce rate of that store is increased, so that people can ignore your web page, or they can be annoyed with your landing page if you don't edit it perfectly, and they can change the mind. So we're going to create a regular page here. Now simply click on start creating. Now here you can find that section here, so you can give a feedback, but I'm going to ignore it right now, so cancel here. Now from here you can add a header or anything, like you can add it, like you can add elements from here. You can like simply click on it. You can add it from the scratch, or you can actually let me go here, and you can create a page with template, or you can create it from blank page. So create with template. So I'm going to create it a regular page from here. Now here is all of the template that you can actually use. But before using a template, make sure you have the knowledge that what color combination that your current store is have. So from here you can see the black and white theme I have. So we are going to select a black and white theme just like this, but we are going to sort it by a landing page just like this. Let's see if there's any template. Also you can choose the industry here, you can choose the style, you can choose the feature. Also you can change the color of that landing page if you want. So just exploring how it will look like, just like this. This is for accessories. From here you can also add some like industry here, like I'm going to select it, or I can ignore it right now. So we can just go with all of this template. So I'm going to go with this template here. So I'm going to simply, you can get a preview of the template, or you can simply directly select it. I'm going to directly select that. Now we can edit that each and every part of this section here. So here is a or we can block it. From here we can add a section here, or you can actually add an image here. So I'm going to add an image in this background here. So we are going to change that image first, like where we can get it. So here is images in styling option here. So you can change it by simply click on this change button here. So I'm going to change it, like select from library if I have any, like this one. So like this, or we can make it more done, more settings here. So we can use this contain or cover like this background repeat, or we can over color. We can change it actually. So just like this we can add it. So make sure that you have added a text that actually showing that all of this text from here. Also we can change it with from library. And I have just changed it for like this, and it's pretty much cool, I think, and I am doing this like this here. Now here is the header section where you can add some header, like it will actually generate according to your Shopify page here. So from here you can find this page content and elements that actually from the page fly, where you can add some layout tabs, according slideshows, content list. You can add some headings, paragraphs, and buttons also. And also from Shopify you can add your product list, product details, product media, whatever you want. So for example, I want to add the product details here, like elements and product list here. So simply click on product list, and I'm going to add that product list from here. Here you can see it is collecting, sorry for that. So I'm going to delete that. Delete each and every section from here. So I'm going to add my product. So we're going to add our product list here. Product list will be like this. So we are going to add that here, just like this. We can add it like here, and or we can simply delete the other ones from here. And now from here you can use the image quality and loading time standard here, or you can add something like make sure that you have added the image loading standard here. And then you can find that media click action, so link to product or show media gallery, so link to product actually. So if anyone click on that image, so they can get to the product page and directly. So here is the presentation type. Now also you can add some in this image, some animation, like here you can add some animation. And also there's some animation here you can add that fade in. So I remember the fading. When mouse over, you can mouse over that, you can add glow, like glow. I'm going to add this glow. So that's pretty much cool. And here is extra benefits. You can add something. You can change the text of every section of it, like this. You can change it. You can change the text color. You can click action, goes to the URL. You can select the action here. So go to URL, open pop-up, anything. So I'm going to select the go to URL. So here you can see if anyone takes click on that, so they can go to URL. Also you can make it anything like this. Now from here you can actually text edit the texture like them, and from here in the styling section you can find the width. You can set the size from here, width and height. You can change the layout, and here is overall color. You can change the color from here if you want, so like this you can change it. You can add the padding and merging and typography, and also the text font style from here. So it is on the Times New Roman right now. You can add the font size if you want. So this actually let's make the ungroup, and it will ungroup that, and let's just like this you can do it. Also you can add some CSS code from here. You can add you can increase or decrease the opacity. You can add a background image here, so like this. If I want to add a background image like this, or not this actually, so if I want like this, so it will show up like everything, not this. So there's make sure that you have use a light image. If you have black text, so you can add that. So you can make that button work if you have added some link here like general. From here text only, you can add some text with icon or icon only. You can add anything, and here is like button here. So from here that click to action, so go to URL, and you have to select the URL of the page link that you can add it like a link to collection like pages, blog post, or like anything products. So you can add all of this product page here, anything. So for example, I'm giving the here the this offer here. So we can also add some offer from here, like we can change the offer like 70, not this actually, 25%. Oh my god, what does that, 25%. And here is a countdown that you can set the countdown here. So to general, so it is actually integrated section. So here is the general section. So you can select the starting time. So for example, I am going to start it to the from the 1st May to the May 1st May, and from 0 and 0, and here is the countdown that it actually not this actually. So we are going to set it like message, and here it is. Now if here is a countdown that if I select that first date here, like okay, now you can add that from here, for example 23 and 23 hours, 23 hours and like 59 seconds. Okay, and you can use this countdown for every day or for every hour or never registered. So for registered and countdown end with after a specific period or at the specific time. So you can set the specific time like at the 10th of May, you can okay. So just like this you can add this, and if I just save that, it will automatically start running. So you can also add some animation on that countdown also. So that's pretty much all thing to create a landing page on Shopify. So you can follow these steps. So you can get the preview here, all of this like mobile view here. It's like this. We're going to that's how you can do all of things. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.